You have done everything right. You've got the degree, the certifications, and your technical skills easily top 5% in your company. But every time there is a promotion, a new project, or even a high-level customer meeting, they choose someone else. Sound familiar? It's not because you're not good enough. It's because technical brilliance without business visibility is like shouting in a soundproof room. Let me show you how to break out of that room. A few years ago, I was in the same boat, exactly same boat. I was delivering high-impact solutions, fixing customer issues that no one else could solve in my team, and mentoring junior engineers. But when it came time for strategic meetings, I wasn't even in the room. It hit me during one QBR. A sales leader walked into the room, presented the deck full of buzzwords, told a few stories, and everyone clapped. Meanwhile, I was the one who built the solution that got those results, but I wasn't even introduced. That day I realized something painful. Being good isn't enough. You need to be seen as good. So I started studying communication, business storytelling, personal branding, sales psychology, and slowly I shifted. Within 12 months, I was not only in the room, I was being invited to customer boardrooms as a trusted advisor. Here's what I learned and what most engineers miss. You say our solution has low latency and horizontal scalability. They hear buzzword, 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 okay? Try this instead. Our platform processes customer interactions faster, which means less cart abandonment and more revenue for you. See the difference? Translate technology into business outcomes. You don't get promoted because of what you know, you get promoted because what others know about you. If your work is invisible, it doesn't exist. Simple as that. Start sharing wins internally. Contribute to LinkedIn. Speaking in meetings, not just about features, but about how your work impacts customer and revenue. Your LinkedIn profile shouldn't say Senior Network Engineer at XYZ company. It should say, I help businesses reduce downtime and scale operations through reliable network design. Position yourself as someone who solves business problems, not just as an engineer who writes configs and codes. If this is hitting home, good, because I have taken this journey myself. I know how frustrating it is to watch others get ahead while you're stuck, even when you are technically more capable, but it is not your fault. No one teaches engineers how to navigate the business world. That's why I created my program specifically for people like you. If you're ready to make the leap from invisible expert to a visible leader, let's talk. Book a one-on-one coaching call with me. We will map out your transition and make sure the world sees your true value. The details in the description and comments below. And hey, if this video helped you, drop a like and share it with another engineer and subscribe for more.